Frontline teams in construction, retail, restaurants, and hospitality don't struggle because they lack tools. They struggle because everything is scattered. Schedules sit in text or spreadsheets. Messages happen over text. Time tracking gets handled in spreadsheets. Hiring runs through email, and tasks get shared verbally and forgotten by the end of the week. That disconnect creates friction everywhere. Shifts get missed, payroll turns into a cleanup job, hiring slows down, and managers spend more time chasing information than managing their teams and focusing on the work that actually matters. What works better is one system that connects scheduling, communication, time tracking, tasks, and hiring into a single workflow. And that's how businesses use Connecteam across a real work week. So today we're looking at how teams actually use Connecteam on a day-to-day basis. For retail managers, schedules change constantly. Employee accountability comes in through text, time off requests arrive late, someone wants more hours, or someone else can't work a shift they were originally assigned to. Without a centralized system, that turns into coverage gaps and payroll issues later when hours are missing or unclear. With Connecteam, the manager builds schedules in advance and publishes them directly to employee phones. Managers can also copy schedules from a previous week or month to save time. Employees can set availability, flag unavailability from the job schedule, and submit time off requests to the built-in time off feature. Those requests automatically sync with the job schedule, so managers aren't juggling separate calendars or spreadsheets. AI-powered scheduling helps managers build fair schedules based on qualifications and availability, cutting down on manual adjustments and reducing scheduling time from hours to minutes. Once the schedule is published, employees confirm their shifts or flag conflicts immediately inside the app. Instead of chasing replies, the schedule gets finalized quickly and stays accurate heading into the week. Employees know where they need to be, managers aren't guessing, and everything is confirmed in one system. Now take a field supervisor who's not sitting at a desk. Someone calls out mid-shift and coverage needs to happen immediately. Group texts and phone calls slow everything down, especially when managers are already in the field. With Connecteam, open shifts can be reassigned directly from a phone. Employees can claim available shifts, and supervisors can approve or decline shift swaps in real time. Notifications go out instantly, and once someone accepts, the shift is locked in. There's no confusion about who's showing up and nothing to clean up later because everything ties back to the schedule and time tracking. Payroll stays accurate even when plans change midday. Coverage happens quickly without chaos and without creating problems later in the week. For teams operating across multiple locations, communication gaps add up fast. Updates get missed, tasks aren't tracked, managers don't know who's seen what, and follow-ups start piling up. Connecteam centralizes task management so instructions are delivered directly in the app, not buried in emails or passed along verbally. Tasks are assigned with due dates and completion is tracked automatically. Paper forms and PDFs are replaced with digital forms that are assigned, completed, and stored centrally so policies, checklists, and acknowledgements don't get lost or overlooked. Managers can see progress across locations without checking in individually. Everyone knows what needs to be done and when. And execution stays consistent even when teams aren't working in the same place. Real-time updates are sent directly to employees' phones with optional confirmation so managers know the information was received in the field. That visibility creates accountability without micromanagement and keeps teams aligned across every location, and that same structure carries over into time tracking and paperwork too. Even when scheduling is solid, payroll can fall apart if time tracking and paperwork are messy. Employees forget to clock in, hours are spread across paper, spreadsheets, or texts, and managers spend hours tracking down missing information before payroll runs. Connecteam brings all of that into one place. Employees clock in and out directly from their phones with time entries tied to scheduled shifts and job roles. GPS and geofencing, which limit clock-ins and clock-outs to approved locations, help confirm where work is happening without adding any friction. Managers can review, edit, and improve timesheets in a single dashboard. Everything related to time, approvals, and documentation is found in the same system teams already use every day. That makes payroll faster, cleaner, and far less stressful. Disputes drop because these hours are clearly documented, forms are easy to find, and managers aren't chasing information at the last minute. And that structure holds up as teams grow and operations get more complex. As your business grows, hiring becomes unavoidable and often disorganized. Resumes spread across inboxes, long email threads, and unclear ownership between managers lead to qualified candidates falling through the cracks. Connecteam keeps hiring structured from the start. Managers create role-specific application links, and candidates apply through standardized forms. Every applicant lands in one centralized hiring workspace instead of scattered inboxes. Managers collaborate inside the same pipeline, moving candidates cleanly from application to review to hire status. Everyone knows where each candidate stands, which speeds up decisions and keeps hiring from dragging on longer than it should. Hiring doesn't end when an offer is accepted. Onboarding is where delays usually show up, especially when employee information has to be re-entered across systems. With Connecteam, hired candidates convert directly into users. Their information carries forward into employee setup and onboarding. Required forms and onboarding courses are completed before the first shift, and training and communication tools are already in place. That shortens the time between hiring and productivity. New employees show up prepared, payroll is ready on day one, and managers aren't scrambling at the last minute to get everything organized. Scheduling, communication, time tracking, hiring, and onboarding aren't separate problems, they're connected parts of the same work week. When businesses manage them in one system, work moves faster and admin work is simplified. Managers spend less time fixing issues and more time supporting their teams. If you want to see how Connecteam fits into your workflow, sign up and explore the platform. The small business plan is perfect for teams with fewer than 10 users, and the bigger teams can test it out for free for 14 days. No credit card required. Just click the sign up link in our description. And if you want to learn more before signing up, check out our video, What is Connecteam and How Does It Work? I've also linked that in the description for you. With Connecteam, you'll see that once the week runs in one place, everything else gets easier to manage. Thanks for watching, Mavericks. I'll see you in the next video.